Alright, so we are at the finale of this course, and I want to just go over a few key points that we talked about throughout this Lifetime Fitness course, and in which first we started with module number 1, which was what is Lifetime Fitness, and in this module you were able to distinguish the difference between Lifetime Fitness activities versus just regular physical fitness activities, and we were able to look at the 5 components of fitness: cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition, and see how each of those play a role in lifetime fitness activities, so that you can continue to use those types of activities throughout your lifetime. And then we're able to look at the different ways to measure your fitness. We did this through the use of a pedometer, which tracks your steps. Like we discovered, 10,000 steps is your daily goal. So being able to know that and know how to use a pedometer, you can continue to track those steps and continue to reach that goal of 10,000 steps or more a day. We also looked at another way to measure our fitness through our heart rate. We practiced using our wrist and our neck to calculate our heart rate and see how our effort is pertaining to the activity that we're participating in. We were able to use those readings to accurately see and test how hard our heart is working. And then we moved on to module number 2, which we were actually able to participate in a lifetime fitness activity of walking and jogging. In this module, you were able to look at different safety precautions that you would want to take before, during, and after participating in a walking and jogging activity. Some of these safety precautions included the types of clothing to wear during these activities, and we looked at the difference between a walking shoe and a running shoe so that you can best get a shoe that works best for the type of activity that you're going to be doing, so you can achieve those goals better. We also looked at the different speeds or paces that an individual could walk or jog, and we did that through you guys actually got to perform the Rockport 1-mile walk test and the Cooper 12-minute run, and you were able to compare and contrast those two fitness tests, and so you can get a better idea of the type of activity that you'd like to participate throughout your lifetime. Then we moved into module number 3, which was the at-home lifetime fitness activities. And in this module, you were able to assess your fitness levels and actually create and complete an at-home fitness routine to help improve the fitness level of your choice. And then I introduced you to an app called Sworkit, in which is a circuit training, interval training app that you can use to work on each of the 5 components of fitness. And during this module, you were able to use the social media website called Pinterest and learn how to use that site to find some at-home fitness workouts for yourself and for your friends and family to use, and use those to continue to improve your fitness in each of those 5 components. Then we also looked at how to modify those at-home workouts if it wasn't quite what you were wanting or needing. We looked at changing the number of reps, the number of sets, the speed and duration of a workout and of each set and repetition. Then we moved on to the next module, which was combination activities. We looked at HANTUS, the combination of volleyball, tennis, ping pong, foursquare, all-in-one activity, and we used the interactive video tool called Zeption, in which you are able to learn the rules and how to play Hantus, and you are actually able to demonstrate your ability to explain these to your friends or family, and we're able to demonstrate your ability to actually play Hantus, and so that you can continue to play this game to help improve your cardiovascular endurance, or to help increase your step count for the day to get that 10,000 steps a day goal. Then we looked at community fitness activities, the different fitness activities that someone can do within the community. We looked at different parks, going to a football field or track, hiking trails, and we looked at gym memberships, going to gyms to exercise, in which Zumba is a class that is offered at most gym places, and you actually got to participate in a Zumba fitness class and experience that type of fitness. And we ended up being able to participate in a community fitness event in which you had the freedom to choose your own fitness event to attend, and you're able to see how fitness in the community brings people together, brings people to achieve a goal, motivate each other, push each other, and see how those type of events allow a person to continue physical fitness throughout their lifetime.